years, how does Gen AI change, um, one, how carriers are looking to partner with these companies, but two, how they're concerned, they may be changing how they need to think about their data and their protections?
Yeah, it's a great question. And I'll sort of go back to the beginning of what you asked. And you're absolutely right. I think for the last 10 years, a lot of companies have said, we're using AI to do X or Y or Z. And a lot of the time, the biggest challenge we had in VC was validating that statement. Are they actually using some form of AI, or is it just, a marketing term? Is it algorithmic? Is it classical? That was a relatively easy task after a while. Once you understood the right questions to ask, and I got to the bottom of those things quite quickly. To your point, what we've seen now is that suddenly everybody can actually use AI, not originate AI, but use it. And that makes it really challenging because everybody suddenly is doing whatever they were doing 6 months ago with AI. And that was easy to bolt onto the top because these models are very, very accessible. It's a hobby of mine at the moment, in fact, to use the Wayback Machine, archive.org, to look at any company that says they're using AI and see what they did 12 months ago, because that's what they actually do. Now, suddenly, of course, we're at peak hype, so they're doing that plus Gen AI, which is fine, and people should be doing that and exploring that. But it doesn't necessarily mean they have a protectable moat, to your point. And that's how I do my sort of moat discovery of looking at, are you just consuming GPT-4 or, Claude, or, are you running up a Llama model that you very, moderately migrated to be something that you've created? That tends to mean that in some cases you don't have a moat. In some cases, through partnerships, you might. And to your point, it revolves around the data you have access to. And this is a really interesting trend right now. Now, having been in the insurance industry for a while now, we've always talked about using our data as our protectable asset that we might be able to use either first party or with another organization to train and refine a model to perform better than what's in the rest of the industry. Now, that used to be really hard. It used to be something that we talked about doing, or in some cases didn't want another company to do and put legal protections around. Now, suddenly, it's dramatically easier, and you've got entire communities of people on Reddit who spend their day refining models. And it is trivially easy. Teenagers are doing it now. It's fantastic.